we can't find your camera. If you get an error message like this, means your camera is not working. First you have to check that whether the camera driver is installed or not. Go to this PC, properties, device manager. In the list you have to check that camera driver is installed or not, but there is no camera in the device manager list, means it is having some problem with your camera is not detected. For the solution is you need to replace the web camera, that's it. After that, if the driver is installed but the camera is not working, means you have to go for privacy settings. Go to privacy settings, find a setting in the type camera privacy settings. In the camera privacy settings there is an option called change camera access for this device is on. If it is off, means you should select on. Allow apps to access your camera. Here is also an option is there, camera on and off button. We need to check this. After that, again you have to type here camera. In that camera icon, right click, properties, app settings. In app settings also there is an option. If this app is not working right, reset it. Click this reset button to reset all the settings of web camera. After the settings has been completed, you need to restart your laptop or Windows or system, then it will work. Thank you.